Do you want to learn how to create a free business email for your website domain? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So like this, I already have created one free business email for my domain, which is solvebase.co. This is info@solvebase.co. Now to create this, you need Zoho Mail, and you can start for free. You need to enter your name, email, and password and phone number, or you can sign in with Google and all this. Or if you want a personal email from Zoho Mail, you can also get that. But here we are going to go for business email. You can fill out this form and sign up for free. As for the pricing, you're going to get a forever free plan, which is up to 5 users. You can create additional aliases, which is instead of info, I can add partnerships or hello@solvebase.co. And you also get a 25 MB attachment limit. You also get a 5 GB space per user. And you also get access to the free mobile app, which is available on Android or iOS. Email hosting is available for a single domain. And if you have multiple domains, you can sign up a new account and make another one. So there's no limit to that. Once you've signed up on Zoho Mail, you're going to see something like this for email configuration. You need to enter these records. This is MX record. You'll find these. These are similar for all of the new registrations. And I'm going to show you how to enter them. This is SPF, DKIM. You need to enter all of these. The one domain provider I use is Namecheap. Namecheap is a really good provider. I've been using it from quite some time. And I've put the link in the description. If you have not bought your domain, you can get it from here. Now here I've got the domain. On the right hand side, I will click on manage. And it's going to take me to advanced DNS. Inside the advanced DNS, if you scroll down, you will find mail settings. Click on the drop down and select custom MX. Now enter the MX records here one by one by clicking on add new record. In host, we're going to add @, and for the mail server, we need to add this first and 10 for priority, and same for the other two as well. Once you're done with this, add the SPF records as well, like I've done here as a TXT record. Once you have successfully set up the DNS, in the admin console, you're going to have this tick mark for all 3 of them. Once it's successful, you'll be able to access your Zoho Mail. Now inside here, in the web app, you'll be able to send and receive emails. And you can create a new email from here as well. Now in the Zoho Mail admin console, you can go to groups and you can add new aliases, like I said before here, like hello@solvebase.co or partnerships@solvebase.co. Can add a new one by create and add a new name, email address, description. And that's it. This is how you can create a business email for free using Zoho Mail. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.